Paperwork for the castings is finalized, ready for inspection.
Digital tags are active on the pre-preg sheets, all accounted for.
Following the peak curing cycle, the autoclave begins a controlled, slow cool-down phase.
The successful demolding confirms the integrity of the Mi-8 rotor blade. Process A is complete.
The newly formed composite main rotor blade undergoes a meticulous visual inspection. Localized lighting.
The etching looks good, but we need to ensure all dust is cleared before the adhesive.
Agreed. Almost done with this section.
The automated system calculates the exact physical properties, identifying any minute deviation from the required specifications.
A mobile laser tracking unit measures the entire three-dimensional geometry of the long, curved blade.
The automated laser system inscribes the unique serial number. This permanent identification ensures full.
The sleeved composite main rotor blade is systematically loaded into a custom-built industrial shipping crate, finalizing the preparation for delivery.
Accelerometers mounted directly to the machining pallet track the cutting dynamics, ensuring that the 5-axis process does not. The gearbox housing is stabilized at a controlled temperature, ensuring dimensional accuracy. This allows for ultra.
Automated robotic arms perform meticulous deburring on the Mi-8 hip gearbox. This is vital to prevent.
RA 0.01. Excellent. Process B is fully validated.
Check the pressure differential on screen 3.
Reading stable at 5,000 psi, within tolerance.
Clearances are good on the planetary.
Confirmed. Rotating the shaft now. No binding.
The mating surfaces are meticulously cleaned with specialized, non-abrasive chemical cleaners.
And obviousness. The massive high-grade steel and aluminum alloy block is mated with the lower section, ensuring perfect alignment of the. All points registering within tolerance.
Confirmed. Bay 2 is cleared for installation.
Alignment is within tolerance on the X and Y axis.
Confirmed. Safety certification checks complete. We are green for integration.
The manifest confirms the transfer of accountability for the gearbox housing. I am signing now.
Received.
Received.
Steady, steady. Clear on the starboard side.
Okay, bringing it down 5 millimeters.
pins are secure on this side.
All right, start the torque sequence on the main bolts. Keep it steady.
Torque at 50, holding steady.